Hi, welcome to our 2024 Term 3, Class 8, Practicing Reading Number 1. Now today we have a new technique. It's called the double note. So double notes is a really challenging and also important in piano learning because you need a long time practice to get a little bit of progress over the time. So that's really important to start from a slow and make sure you do the actions correct and move slowly. Okay, double notes is on the technique book, page 30. So we have two pieces, and today we'll have a look at the bottom one. It's called the 2x2. So 2x2, we're going to try the right hand pattern first and then move to left hand. So basically 2x2 means two fingers play at a time and then we make them connected. Okay, so what I want you to do is you copy my actions, put the left hand down flat and right hand make a nice round hand posture on the top of your left hand. Now keep a 1 and a 3 down and then lift the other 3 fingers up. So at the moment we're having 1 and a 3 holding the key down, and then left 2 and 4 up. Okay, relax number 5. If they go with the 2 and the 4, that's fine. Just concentrate on controlling 2 and the 4. Left as high as possible, then gently put it down, swap with 1 and 3. Now when we're putting 2, 4 down, 1, 3 is up, 5 still hanging up, and then try to relax a little bit. Relax is relatively relaxed. We have to lift tiny bit, not completely up or completely down. So lift a little bit, but wrist and hands are relatively relaxed. And then we're gonna swap with 3, 5. So 3, 5, left as high as possible, gently down and swap with 2 and 4. So left 2, 4 up. Relax a little bit. So after you swapping, your finger will be hanging really high. Now it's the time to relax. Okay, now get 2, 4s ready again. We're gonna swap with 3, 5. Swap, relax. Now 1, 3 is ready. Up, swap, relax. Okay, so that's your complete of one circle. On the music sheets, we can see it start from a C position. 1, 3 plays C, E, D, F, 2, 4, E, G, 3, 5, and then coming back to D, F, and C and E. So what we try to do is slow the process, make sure each finger knowing what to do, and remember to relax. That's very important. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate on the keyboard. Okay, so look at the actions first, and you can copy with me. Drop down, and then 2, 4, and then 3, 5, and then 2, 4, and then 1, 3. Have a little rest and then repeat. Up, down, relax. Up, down, relax. Up, down, relax. Up, down, relax. Again. Just remember to relax the fingers when you're not using them. One last time. Left, play, left, play. Okay, so I did the first 2 bars, right hand pattern 4 times. So I want you to do the same, because reinforce the same actions can make a strong memory, muscle memory. So let's do the first 2 bars 4 times on the right hand, and then we'll move to left hand Left hand start from a 3-5. Left, play, relax. Left, play, relax. Left, play, relax. Left, play, relax. One more time. Left, play, relax. Left, play, relax. Left, play, relax. Left, play, relax. Will be really good if you can say left your finger high, play, swapping down, swapping with another fingers, dropping down, and relax is relaxing the wrist and the whole hand's attention, release the tension. So each hands we're going to repeat that pattern 4 times. If you can, have a little bit of break and then do another round. So 4 times, 8 times total in each hand. Okay, so that's the 2x2. In the class, we also talk about page 28, left off, and return to earth. So these 2 pieces introduce a new way of moving on the keyboard. So right hand, when we play higher, moving higher, instead of writing the note on the high in the different lines, different positions, we're gonna swapping our hands, changing our hands to a high, we call it octave high. What that mean is, octave means 8 steps from the original note. If you start from C, counting the first beat, and then we do 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you end up on the same note. It's C again. Apply to all the notes. If you move 8 steps, you end up on the same note. Different pitch. When you're moving to the right, the pitch getting higher. So even the same C, we say, oh, this is a middle C. And if you want to play the next key to the right, next C to the right, and then you go an octave higher. Okay, so octave sign is used when they want to raising the pitch using the same note. So the octave sign is made by A, V, A, and little dot. And that dot is covered this bar only. That means only this bar, this couple notes, 5 notes, play an octave higher. We're still playing, like for example, the second bar, we have a G, F, G, E, C. Now we still play the same notes, just the hands shifting to another octave, play a bit higher. Now the third bar, we're coming back to the original position. The next bar, we start from the triple C, which is a C5, but the written note is C5, but it has an octave sign as well. That means we're going to move up to C6. So original place is the C, but we're going to play over here. So play 1 octave higher than written. That's one way of shifting the notes high. The other way is one left hand's bass clef. Normally using bass clef, but it also can be used for triple clef, because if the note's getting higher, it's really hard to use a lot of ladder lines for left hands, so you can change the clef. So in this piece you can see at the end of the first bar there's a tiny triple clef. That means from here behind we're gonna play this note as a triple clef. So first bar is a bass clef. We have C, D, C, E, G. Now this note is not B, A, B, G, E as a bass clef, but it's G, F, G, E, C for triple clef. So this 5 notes we're going to play just slightly higher than the middle C, middle G, now the triple clef finished on the second bar, end, it changed back to bass clef. So this bar we're gonna play, this couple notes we're gonna play as bass clef again, and then change to triple clef again. Bass clef, triple clef, bass clef, and triple clef. So you can see the left hand is shifting high and low, high and low. So, and this is a new way of shifting the hands on different octaves. Return to earth is the same. So we have a bass clef for right hand, means right hand's going lower, and we have an octave lower sign for left hands. So left hands go even lower. So second piece, return to earth, is opposite of the first one left off. It's moving higher, and this one is moving lower, different directions. By changing the clef and also use the octave sign. So now I'm gonna demonstrate left off. Right, so you can see when I demonstrate, it's quite easy. Right, that's why I don't want to start straight away. I'm showing how to play. Then you notice the pattern and I won't pay too much attention to the sheet. But actually reading, understanding the sign is really important. Then you know what to do exactly. Second piece, return to earth. Both hands move in the same directions. So when you play, it's not that hard, but just by reading all the different signs, it's really important. Okay, and Angry Alligator and Mexican Fiesta. If I haven't passed these two pieces, keep practicing. Mainly is the counting and make sure the hands coordinations. Mexican Fiesta has a staccato dot on the left hand, while right hand play legato. So make sure that we can cooperate two hands very well. Also, if you already know how to play the piece, you can try to count in your head and play slightly faster. So I'm now gonna demonstrate Angry Alligator. If you already know how to play this one, try to play the left hand softer while keep the right hand melody very clear. Now I'm gonna try go slowly on the Angry Alligator by counting the beats. two, da, one, da, 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 two, da. Okay, so start with counting. If you get more confident, then you can try to count in your head. Mexican Fiesta. This time I start with the slow speed with counting. 1 da 2 da 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 1 da 2 1 da 2 da 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 3 da rest 1 da 2 da 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 1 da rest. Now this piece has some music terms at the end of the piece. D.C.O finale means we're going to repeat from the beginning. Play the first two lines again until you see the words finale means end. So that's our ending for the whole piece. Not here, but here. Okay, so that's what that word means. Repeat from the beginning until finale. Right, so that's all from last week, from this week, from my Monday class. Different things to do, some for technique, some new knowledge, shifting on the pianos, and review the dot to the rhythms. Then we're gonna move on to a very exciting piece called a Lago next week. Hopefully enjoy the rest of your week. See you later. Bye.